So for some reason I decided to record this video while I'm on the Stairmaster during my break in my parents' basement, because I hired my friend last night and I'm terrified because I'm paying this guy like $4 grand a month and I gotta make this happen. Like, I can't, this guy quit his job to work for me. It's a very good opportunity, don't get me wrong. I'm not laughing at him. I'm just saying, like, this is serious. I'm terrified. So I gotta make sure that he's gonna do well. I gotta make sure that I can keep paying him ongoing for a long period of time and that he enjoys what he's doing. He's also one of my friends. He's excited. He's told his family and everything. He quit his job today. I'm terrified, honestly. I'm really excited for it because he's a real smart guy, and I like working with smart people. It just makes life a lot easier. He can think for himself. He can make good decisions. I just have to like train him on, you know, how to do what I do, basically, right? He's gonna be like my right-hand man. He's gonna be with me most likely into the next couple businesses that I make over the course of the next year, 2 years, 3 years. That's the goal. Some people say don't combine business and friends. I don't know. I mean, I think it's a matter of how you do it, the expectations you set for people, whether you can deliver on your promises or not, and how you are as a leader. So the way I went into this was, I'm like breathing so hard right now, I'm so out of shape. But one of the precedents I set with him was, like, if I'm ever doing anything wrong, like if I said something that was kind of rude, whatever it was, I'm not usually like that. I've worked with people before, but if something's off, if what I'm saying isn't lining up, anything, and I'm not being a good leader, tell me. Please tell me. Like, my number one goal is to do as well in this as I physically can. Like, this is my life. If you guys have been watching, you probably know at this point, this is my life. Like, this is all that matters to me. So I want to do the best job possible, especially if I'm working with like a friend, right? Quit his job. All my other friends know he's working for me now. I like to say with, he's technically working for me, but I'm going to put him on a profit share as well. So he'll be able to grow with the company. That incentivizes growth, or, you know, him trying to grow things, but it also gives him a great opportunity because as the company grows, he can make like 100K a year and so on and so forth, and hopefully a couple within the next couple years. But yeah, kind of like a weird little life update thing here while I do my Stairmaster during my break. I shouldn't be doing work on my break. I shouldn't be talking about this right now. I should be not working because that's the point of a break. But I just recorded 3 videos. I'm recording this one now. I'm on a roll. Why not just let it go? Hopefully the audio isn't like abysmal because of my headphone setup here. But yeah, just enjoying my treadmill run in my parents' basement. Super excited to be working with him. Terrified, absolutely terrified. My nerves are high, but I feel really good because I know I'll be able to make more sales to pay it back and everything. I'm planning on scaling my ads really hard in the next couple months. Okay, is this gonna work for me? Please work for me. Please don't stop. Please don't stop. So, my camera just died there because my iCloud storage ran out. Basically, I'm trying to scale my ads really hard in the next couple months to get to 150K a month. So I'll be able to pay for everything, it's fine. But I'm still terrified nonetheless. I'm gonna go. See ya.